A data product is a reusable asset that makes a trusted data set accessible to any authorized data consumer. A lot has been discussed about the role of data products in serving analytical workloads, especially in the context of a federated data mesh. However, little has been discussed about the strategic value that data products deliver in serving operational use cases. Operational data products are needed anytime we need a harmonized view that is operational in nature. So for any 360 use cases, such as customer 360, order 360, or for digital twins. In addition, they can serve as the backbone for data tokenization, operational intelligence, cloud migration, legacy app migration, and much more. Yeah, we look at 4 critical attributes of an operational data product. 1, it's got a real-time response. So you could deliver unified data of any business entity in milliseconds. 2, it's contextualized. It's delivering data that's always fresh and enriched with situational awareness. 3, it's trusted. It's delivering data that is governed, secured, and compliant. And 4, it's packaged for operations, right? It's delivering data in any method required by the data consumers. So it could be API, change data capture, streaming, virtualization, SQL, messaging, so on. Yeah, let me share a use case from a tier 1 US-based telco. This telco needs to manage an enterprise data environment that is multi-system, multi-technology, and highly siloed, all while having to respond to operational business requirements from multiple lines of business in days. So we help them implement operational data products using the K2View data product platform. It's enabling this telco with self-service creation and management of operational data products. So their data products can be discovered using a data product catalog and can be consumed by any data consumer across the company with the right privileges. A data product in the K2View platform manages the data for each business entity instance in its own high-performance microdatabase. In this case, for this telco, the platform manages over 30 million microdatabases, one for each customer. So you could think of a microdatabase like a mini data lake that holds all the data the business has about a specific business entity, in this case, the customer, from across all the source systems. The microdatabase is, 1, always in sync with the underlying source systems. It's 2, it's secured with its own 256-bit encryption key. 3, it's compliant with data privacy and security regulations because sensitive data is masked or tokenized in flight. 4, it's ACID compliant, meaning that it can be used as the database of record for new applications. And finally, 5, it's accessible in milliseconds by any authorized data consumer from across the enterprise. So we implemented K2View with this telco, and now this telco is able to manage the entire lifecycle of their operational data products, from designing and engineering to testing, deploying, monitoring, and taking advantage of ongoing change management of the operational data product. So from an architecture perspective, this telco has the choice and flexibility to deploy the data product platform in any number of ways. So it's as a data mesh, a data fabric, a data hub, and they can start with one deployment architecture while phasing into another without altering the implementation. There's 3 reasons to consider operational data products, at least. 1, accelerate. Anytime you're trying to remove the silo system syndrome that causes most enterprise to respond to operational business needs in months instead of days. 2, collaborate. Right? We're going to democratize the operational data access across the lines of business. And 3, govern. We're going to be able to deliver a single, trusted, real-time view of any business entity to authorize consuming applications and users.